Hello everybody and welcome to the installation guide video of your brand new purchased CYKE e-bike. This video will guide you step by step through the assembly process and how to use your e-bike. Now, let's open the box. To open the box, you need to squeeze the 6 clips at the bottom and remove them all. Then, lift the top cover of the box. Carefully remove the package material and reserve them for future use. Now you will see the main parts of the e-bike and an accessory box. The accessory box includes a toolkit and some components as shown here on the screen. You can use soft packaging to place under the bike to avoid scratching. Now let's start the installation by assembling the kickstand to the bike. The kickstand comes with 2 bolts. Remove the 2 bolts from the kickstand with the M4 hex key. Position the kickstand under the bike and align the holes. Thread the bolts into the holes and tighten them with the M4 hex key. Next, we are going to attach the front wheel, remove the brake protection plate and the front fork protective cover. First, unscrew the nut on one side of the front axle and thread it through the front hub. Slide the wheel into the fork dropout slots. Insert the disc rotor into the center of the disc brake. At the same time, you are inserting the wheel axle into the fork dropout. Make sure that each fork dropout be placed between the flat washer and the fender washer. Use 2 15mm wrenches to tighten axle nuts on both sides of the wheel to about 20 to 25 Nm of force at the same time. For our next step, we will attach the handlebars. First, remove the handlebar clamp from the stem by removing all the screws with an M5 hex key. Insert the handlebar into the stem and reinstall the clamp. Make sure the handlebar is aligned with the front wheel and is in the preferred position before tightening. Then, tighten all screws evenly in a crosswise pattern. Let's move on to the front fender and the headlight. First, unscrew the nut and gasket from the end of the long bolt and make sure the headlight bracket is on the outside frame and the fender bracket is on the inside. Screw the nut, flat washers and bolt to tighten them with the M5 hex key and a 10mm open wrench. To fix the fender struts, unscrew the bolts first. Connect the fender struts with the fork by tightening the screws and flat washer clockwise with the M4 hex key. As for connecting the headlight, make sure to keep the arrows aligned on the cables first before connecting. Now it's time for the pedals. Match the R and L stickers on the pedal and crank arm before attaching the pedals. Insert the pedals into the right crank's threaded hole and rotate the pedal in the direction indicated by the label until some tension is felt. Use the wrench to tighten them up. Then repeat this on the other side. Let's attach the seat now. Loosen the adjustment of the seat clamp and insert the seat tube. Adjust the seat tube to the appropriate height and make sure that the stationary ladle faces forward. Then close the clamp. Now to remove the battery from your e-bike, all you need is your key. So simply insert your key and unlock the battery. Over here is a clip, you just push it sideways all the way until the entire battery comes out at the top. Slide up and remove your battery. Now before the first use, you have to activate the battery by long pressing the wake up button for 10 seconds until the light flashes. Now to put the battery back, all you need to do is place it in at the bottom first, clip it in, and then just simply push up, lock the battery in place, and there you go. Now when it comes to charging your e-bike, it's very important that you only use the charger that's provided in the packaging to charge your e-bike. Now when it comes to charging, you can always charge it through the standard hole here directly on the e-bike, or you can take your key, remove the battery, and charge it in a different location. When charging the battery, make sure to plug the charger into the battery first, and then into the socket.
After installing and charging your electric bike, it's now time to go through some of the features and controls. Press the button on the top to turn on the e-bike and the display. You can see the basic riding information on screen such as time, speed, distance, assist mode, and battery level. For power supply, we can use the thumb throttle, which can provide electric assistance through levels 1 all the way to 5. Level 0 is the off position, and the thumb throttle provides pedal assistance, which is determined by the rotation of the throttle. Press and hold the minus button for 2 seconds to switch the assist mode to economic, sport, and boost. Press the minus button for 3 seconds and do not release to enter the walk assist mode. Press the plus button for 3 seconds to turn on and off the headlight and the rear light. You can press the M button to switch to different interfaces to check the status of the battery, motor, assist mode usage, and some other riding information.
Now we've just learned that there are 5 power assist modes, but these 5 power assist modes can be accessed through 2 methods. So the first one would be just simply pressing the thumb throttle. The second would be just to simply pedal your bike. So as you pedal your bike, you can choose the power assistance that you require.
It is also recommended that you read the entire owner's manual before using your CYKE e-bike for any additional and other important information that you may require. You can easily download the manual from CYKEbikes.com and download the CYKE app in Google Play and Apple Store. And that's it. Enjoy your CYKE!